Hey crew, Artisan Pirate here, and welcome back to the channel. In today's fun video, we are on location in Greensboro, North Carolina at the Super G Mart. It is a huge international food plaza. They also have some kiosks in here where you can eat. There's some shopping retails in here. I found this place on a whim a couple of years ago when me and some friends came and ate at the ramen house. There's an authentic ramen house, Tampopo, Ichiban, and ramen that is right there, hibachi and ramen, excuse me, that is right there. Been there quite a few times. A nice flavorful bowl of traditional ramen. And then we walked up here and I was blown away by the selection. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we are going to go in here and explore the Super G Mart in Greensboro, North Carolina. Got some nice size apples, and these are huge, wow, but got a great selection here. Got a nice selection of greens, and they are reasonably priced. Everything looks nice and fresh and smells good. Got a nice selection of Roma tomatoes, regular tomatoes, some that are still on the vine here, and the little cherry tomatoes. Now, you guys know I'm a huge fan of ramen, and this whole aisle here is dedicated to ramen with several different brands and varieties. Sapporo Ichiban, original flavor. You have this ramen here, and it's good to come up here if you want to try a new pack. You can get these little 5-packs here, and they're not very expensive. They got miso ramen, one of my favorite types of ramen here. But my favorite kind, and they also sell this kind in Walmart, is this in the pink bag here, and I love this. It comes with a spicy pack, and it is tremendously spicy. I love spicy and hot foods, but this here has been my favorite instant ramen as of right now. They have some more stuff over here. They have the seasonings you can put on it. Vegetarian ramen, oh, that's cool. And of course they have the bowls as well, and again a whole aisle dedicated to the classic traditional dish. Over here in the seafood, they have oysters. They have fish up here as well, and then they have the crabs. Hey buddies. Wow. Hey guys. To my knowledge, I've never had crab before, but they are fresh right here. All the fish food and everything. Over here they've got this pink fruit cocktail juice. I've got this before and it is very, very flavorful. Has a nice creamy texture to it. Of course, keep it cool and shake it up real good. I've had the aloe drink before with the aloe vera in it. They've got so many different flavors here. They've got the tea, they've got the plum, just so many coconut, just so many different styles and flavors of these drinks. Over here they have the ingredients to make everything. You can make your own ramen. They have the noodles here, and you can add your own broth and everything. They've got a lot of the ingredients. I have always been fascinated and intrigued by Oriental food, and I have actually made this before, and it is very, very good. Very flavorful. You can throw other ingredients on the stove with it. So a nice meal there. Let's see if they have the other one I had. I don't see it right now, but they also had one that had noodles. It was kind of like this, but it's not this. And I put some eggs in it and cooked it up nice and good, and it was very flavorful. One thing I love about the Super G Mart is they also have the cooking implements for you to use in your kitchen. Got big strainers here. I mean, nice noodle strainer there. And they also, if they've still got it, a huge extra large noodle strainer right here. I mean, this is like the size of a normal cereal bowl, so you can imagine how big these strainers are. And they've got the metal cooking pots, and they come in various sizes and styles. Over here in this corner, they have the European food section. Not a huge selection, but I'm still glad they do have a selection of this stuff here. And then over here, they have different juices and milks. And I hope it goes without saying that I'm not going to be able to show you guys everything that this store has to offer, just offering you a glimpse of what they have in today's video. They also have, just like any grocery store, shampoos, conditioners, hairstyling gel, things like that, the soaps. They've got a variety of different size individual soaps if you wanted to try to find a new flavor for soap, a new scent, fragrance. They got candles. They've got other stuff here. The Reynolds wrap to wrap everything, and cleaning supplies. They also have more cooking stuff here. A nice selection of dishes, various styles. A nice classic ramen noodle bowl here. One that looks like wood, really cool. And they have the more traditional stuff, and wow, that's a heavy bowl. Wow. And they have more stuff here. They sell crock pots. Just a whole lot to look at and take in. And here you have the coffee and teapot. Really nice. It's clear glass where you can see everything happening in it. And you have this one here. They got the ones with the diffusers in them. Really, really cool. My aunt had one of these. I think we have it now, but you can take 3 different things at one time. Really, really neat. And of course, they sell the frying pans to cook all of this amazing food in, as well as the cooking utensils and various styles of chopsticks. You know, people that like to eat with these, various styles and designs. They even have some metal ones here that are reusable. So really, really neat, and a great selection. So as I said, they've got a little kiosk here. They've got a kiosk here that sells clothes, one that sells towels. There's one that sells like souvenirs here. And then down there is a place you can actually eat once you get done with all of your shopping. You have some nice bags of rice here in bulk, a 40-pound bag of rice. I really love all of the texture and just the graphics on these bags. Another 40-pound bag. There's a 25-pound bag of rice. And then over here, they have these little characters here that you can use as banks for your change. But right now they are filled with flavorful candy, and this one here has got little, looks like jello shots in it. So really neat with that. And then they have a mobile phone person here. My pops has actually came up here and got phone cases. Again, here's one of those stores. It looks like they've got hats, shirts, knickknacks, cologne, and another one. Then a few more as you see the door where you come in and go out of. Here we have the drink aisle, and some of these drinks I'm not even going to try to pronounce. There's more of that fruit cocktail drink. Again, very, very flavorful, very good stuff. But really cool to see all of the Oriental flair here and smell all of the different cuisines they have here. So really neat. Really like the design on that can there. Very tropical. Really neat. Again, this is about 30 minutes from home in Burlington, so whenever we are running low on spices and supplies to cook with, we will, of course, make a trip up here to the Super G Mart. Nice selection of fish. I'm not a big fish eater. They're back there doing some prep work on it. Tilapia, rockfish, trout, milkfish, flounder, sea bass, yellow croaker, squid, bluefish, yellowtail snapper, and you can see they have a tank of fish back there. Got a nice selection here of meats for both breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So really good selections, nice portions. Over here they have the steaks and everything. So pretty much a one-stop shop for all of your shopping needs, and especially if you want to try something new. They've got a great selection of fruits and vegetables. Really, really neat here. Nice size and portions. They've actually, got sugar cane here. Full stalks of it. Got some corn here. Got some stuff in the freezer. Don't even know what that is. It honestly looks like an animal. But you never know what you'll find up here at the Super G Mart. They've got some more stuff down this aisle. This honestly looks like roasted pumpkin seeds, but I'm not sure with the writing on it. Can't read that, but it does say dried melon seeds. These are pumpkin seeds. We have dried fruit here. Dried mangoes. Just other styles of candy and flavorful stuff. I always see something new when I come up here, but they are packed to the brim with delicious and flavorful foods for you to try something new in your kitchen. And here they have the dry noodles that you can make meals out of. So really, really neat. Nice big bag of it there. Wow. They have another aisle here packed with seasonings. The sweet chili sauce is always good to put on your foods. Has a nice flavor to it, not too spicy. They've got all the different types and brands of soy sauces, as well as the hot sauces as well. And here is one of those kiosks. You can see they sell Lucky Bamboo. Here is a yoga place. And here is a place that sells more plants. And I really love all of the Lucky Cats. I've always wanted to get one of those just to put in the shop. And then they have some nice spiritual themed water fountains. So a lot of stuff to see and shop for up here at the Super G Mart. Okay, my friends, that's going to about wrap up our time at the Super G Mart in Greensboro, North Carolina. And that, crew, is going to about wrap up our time at the Super G Mart in Greensboro, North Carolina. This is a huge Oriental style plaza up here in Greensboro. It's around 30 minutes from home in Burlington, North Carolina. I don't come up here a lot, but anytime I come up here, I am always blown away by the selection of foods, and it's always cool to pick up something to try a new cuisine or something to cook with. But I hope you all found this video informative, and hopefully I taught you something new about shopping up in Greensboro, North Carolina. That's going to about wrap it up for today's video. I do apologize for the wind. It is a windy day, but if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me, as well as all my social media feeds, will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you guys. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.